If you alternate lifting a bottle 100 times every day, your hunched back will slowly fade away. If you move the bottle behind your neck, opening and closing your arms 100 times, bye-bye arm flab. If you press your elbows against the wall and push your chest toward it, say goodbye to slouchy shoulders, rounded shoulders, and that stubborn neck hump. If you can do 100 ear-to-back pulls every day, you won't have a neck hump. If you can do 100 external shoulder rotations daily, your straight shoulders and shoulder line will look beautiful. If you can do 100 high pulls/lat pull-downs every day, your back will look strong, upright, and well-aligned. If you can do 100 Y raises daily, your collarbones will look more defined and visible. If your glutes are caving in, squatting like this won't help. Here's what to do instead. Stand against a wall, feet slightly wider than shoulder width, toes turned out a bit. Bend your knees to 90 degrees, lift your heels, and hold for 20 seconds. Do 5 sets a day, and after 1 month, you'll see real changes in your glutes.
Woman.